Okay, so this is week 2 of the lifestyle project. The first question is, what water consumption habits were you able to change? For one of the habits that I changed, I definitely did not use the dishwasher as much. I tried to do the pots and pans and just dry them in a dish rack. Also, I usually take about 20-minute showers, and I cut that down to about 10. Also, instead of doing smaller loads of laundry, I tried to stack up as much as I can to fit all into one load. Another thing that me and my group members talked about that actually gave me a good idea was to, instead of cooking vegetables and steaming them in a giant pot of water, which would waste a lot of water, I just steam them in the microwave. So that also helped. Um, what ones were you unable to find alternatives to? Well, obviously, brushing my teeth. At some point, I'm going to have to rinse it, but not always keeping the faucet on. I didn't do that. Also, showering. I am really weird about my hygiene, and I do like to shower at least once a day. Well, once a day is pretty much what I do. So I can't really see myself cutting that out or finding an alternative to. How much were you unable to reduce in gallons? The total that I was able to reduce is 185 gallons, and you'll see the chart on the next slide. Number 4, how has the lifestyle change affected you economically, socially, and environmentally? I would say economically, I mean, I am lucky enough where my landlord actually pays for my water, but I know that a lot of other college students and pretty much everyone does have to pay a water bill. So I think that that could definitely affect someone economically, and by not using as much water, I mean not paying as much. Socially, I can't really find anything socially that much. I mean, like I said earlier, I prefer to shower once a day, so I guess that could also change with kind of your hygiene and what you like to do. And then environmentally, always like what we do in these lifestyle projects, it's just about creating a better environment and not using as much water to definitely reduce the risk for a drought. And then number 5, is this lifestyle change suitable for you? I definitely think it is. It's always kind of hard for me to keep into account when we aren't doing these lifestyle projects to really reduce my time in the shower and to not use as many loads of laundry. But I think that it's definitely a necessity when we're trying to make changes in our world.